artery. Remember, that's taking blood off of your dorsal aorta and carrying it into the kidney. This will serve two purposes. It carries oxygen and nutrients the kidney needs. And also, this is the beginning point where the blood can flow through the kidney and get clean. So we didn't talk about oxygen and nutrients because that's sort of happening at the same time. So the renal artery flows in, that splits, and the branch of that become the interlobar arteries that we saw running through the different renal columns. The interlobar arteries are going to connect up to the arcuate arteries. Which we just talked about, those go to the cortex. The branches off the arcuate arteries, at least the ones that we're worrying about, are going to be the afferent arterioles. And again, afferent with the letter A. Again, I overpronounce this. A lot of people pronounce both of them as efferent, the A and the E version of the word, and that's okay. That's actually, I believe, an also acceptable pronunciation, but it's really hard to tell what you mean when they both sound exactly the same. So the afferent arterioles flow into that network of capillaries. What's the network of capillaries called? The glomerulus? I heard somebody say. The glomerulus. Yeah. So the afferent arterioles go into the glomerulus. Blood gets filtered out here. Blood from the glomerulus leaves. To the efferent arteriole. And then from here, you're just going to have the exact same set of names for veins now. So efferent arterioles go to arcuate veins. Arcuate veins go to interlobar veins. Interlobar veins go to the renal vein. And the renal vein goes to the caudal, posterior, or inferior, whatever way you want to call it, vena cava, and then back to the heart. It's going to go to the proximal convoluted tubule.
Proximal convoluted
tubule. It's called proximal, means nearer to, so the proximal convoluted tubule is the one that's closer to the Bowman's capsule and the nephron and the glomerulus. The proximal convoluted tubule goes to the loop of Henle. The material flows through the loop of Henle and then goes into the distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubules go into the collecting ducts. The collecting ducts join together to make your renal pyramid. So we call it the pyramid. A renal pyramid dumps the urine into a calyx. The calyces join together to make the renal pelvis. And the renal pelvis sends the urine out through the urethra.